On this video, we are discussing the general plant safety regulations. Under plant safety regulations, we have dangerous conditions and incidents. So we've got regulations that are to be followed concerning dangerous conditions and incidents in the work environment. Let us make an example on this scenario. Let's say this is employee number one. Employee number one notices fire on this motor. Maybe this motor has a problem on the windings or whatever the problem might be, but employee number one notices that there is fire or smoke coming from this motor. So that condition puts employee number one at risk, and employee number two, employee number three, and employee number four. By the way, it puts everyone who is on this environment, who is working on this environment. So this employee, what must this employee do? This employee must warn this employee and this employee, actually everyone around that environment, that there is a risk of having fire in the area which can endanger every personnel that is there, can endanger the plant and so forth. After telling the employees around there, the duty of this employee is to come to this employee. Let's say, why coming to this employee? I haven't given this employee a name, so this employee is a supervisor. So this one must report that incident or condition to the supervisor. If not reported to the supervisor, this employee must report to the health and safety representative, or this employee must report to the occupational health and safety officer. So these are the duties of employee number one who has noticed the incident or a condition that makes the environment unsafe. Be it there was a person injured, if employee number one was the one who saw that, was supposed to either report to the supervisor or health and safety officer or health and safety representative and or occupational health and safety officer. So these three, once they are aware of the condition because of what has been reported, they also have the duty of taking the information that they have received to this personnel. Who is this personnel? This is the person in charge of the plant. So this one receives the report from the supervisor or health and safety representative or occupational health and safety officer. After receiving that information, this one ensures that that information that he receives, he is gonna record. What he is recording, actually, this one is recording the incident that has been reported to him and is recording the steps taken to remove that incident. So a person in charge of the plant does that, and these ones, they are also to make sure that everyone who is not aware of the situation is made aware. Every employee, not only these employees. These ones, they are aware. What about others who might not be aware? So it's the duty of these three to make sure that every employee working on that plant or on that area is aware of the situation, so they're not gonna go and endanger themselves there. So this one gets the report from these and take the recordings of what these ones are reporting and the steps that they have been taken to correct that. So that's it on dangerous conditions and incidents on general plant safety regulations. On the second video, we will go through the examining committee. What do plant safety regulations say about the examining committee?